Hi YouTube, it's me, Fifi in the City, aka Felicia, and I'm here with another video. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post anything. I would greatly appreciate that. Don't mind my hair right now. Um, I'ma fix it. Well, sooner or later. Um, and I'm here to give you I guess, unboxing slash package reveal, I guess, of Ugg, um, these Ugg slippers. I think they're pronounced Funkette, and they're all black, and they're a size 9, and I got them for a steal, y'all. Like, I got them for a fucking steal. Because when I looked on the website, the Uggs website, they have them, I think, for like 130, but I got them for way less than that. I always love a good bargain. That's what I do love. But here's a shoe. I think it's like a 2-inch platform, but don't quote me or nothing like that. I might got that information wrong. But I got them in a size 9. You probably can't see that, but that's size 9. They're all black. Of course, when I got them, I tried them on, and they feel so fucking comfortable. If you're thinking about getting these, you should definitely get them. So yeah, and they're so freaking cute. They just look so cute, and I love the platform, like us short girls. I'm only like 5'2", so I love a good platform, love a good platform boot, slipper, sandal, heel, anything that make me look anything that make me look tall. I'm sorry, I'm just fucking up on words. Y'all don't mind my smoke detector going off in the back, but anyway. Again, comment, like, and subscribe to my video, and I'll be back again with another video. And make sure be yourself at all times and love yourself and give some peace and love, you guys.